In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a SHEIN gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what each button means, and how to make sure the balance lands in your account without any hiccups. Before we begin, have your gift card handy. You'll need the gift card number and the PIN code. The PIN is usually under a scratch-off strip on physical cards, and on digital cards, it often appears in the same email as the card number. Make sure your SHEIN app is up to date and that you have a steady internet connection. Start by opening the SHEIN app. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the correct account you actually want to fund. On the bottom bar, tap Me or Profile. This is the hub for your account settings, orders, and wallet features. Next, find the section labeled My Assets or Gift Card. Depending on your app version or region, it might also appear within your wallet area, but the wording My Assets or Gift Card is common. Open that section to manage balances and credits linked to your account. Look for the option that says Redeem, Link Card, or Add Gift Card. These buttons all lead to the same place, the form where you connect your gift card to your account. Tap the option you see. Now, carefully enter the gift card number. Type it exactly as shown on your card or in your email. If your number includes spaces or dashes, it's usually fine to omit them. Just make sure the sequence is correct. Next, enter the PIN code. If it's scratched off and hard to read, take your time. If a digit is unclear, compare shapes carefully. Zeros and the letter O can look similar. When both fields look right, tap Claim, Redeem, or Link. The label can vary, but the action is the same. It may take a second to process. If everything checks out, you'll see a confirmation, and the gift card balance will be added to your account immediately. You should notice your total balance update on that same screen. A few quick tips if something doesn't work. Double-check the number and PIN for typos, make sure the card's currency and region match your account, and confirm the card hasn't already been redeemed. For digital cards, reopen the original email to verify the details. If the PIN strip is damaged or the system flags an error you can't resolve, reach out to SHEIN support with a clear description of the issue. That's it. Your SHEIN gift card is now linked and the balance will automatically apply at checkout when eligible. Thanks for watching and enjoy your shopping.